Hey everybody, welcome to Friendship Shaving. Welcome to the kitchen for a little show and tell video. I bought a shaving brush the other day. I have it here to share with you. Very interested to find this online. This is from Capt Fawcett's shaving company in the UK. And it is a nicely packaged little brush, and it is a wooden handled synthetic brush. It is a small brush. I bought it late at night online, and it did say the diameter of the brush is 45mm. And then the next day I worried that that was the diameter splayed. Well, it isn't. That is the diameter with the knot not splayed. So we'll open it up. It comes very nicely packaged. A bit of tissue here. And here is the brush itself. Very nice looking brush indeed. As you can see, it's got a wooden hardwood handle, a nice black coated ferrule. I think this is metal, but I'm not 100% sure. It's got Captain Fawcett's logo on the ferrule there, and it's got this lovely black synthetic knot with a few odd white fibres in it, which makes it look really classy, I think, somehow. Very nice brush indeed. Yeah, nice and soft. As I say, it is a small brush. I kind of wish they'd gone a bit bigger, just a little bit bigger, but I think this will look very nice in my shaving cabinet. And for me, I have quite slender hands. It's okay in my hand. It's very nice in my hand, actually. I think it's a 20mm knot. The reason I say that is I have one of my 22mm knots here that I put in myself. And just as a rough guide, there's a bit of space around the outside there that you can see. So it's either going to be a 20mm or an 18. I think it's probably a 20, but I'll give you a little bit more information on that if I'm able to get it. I look forward to shaving with this one. It certainly is a very nice brush. Now, Captain Fawcett is a real gentleman. I have a book here, Exploration Fawcett, and that is the gentleman himself, an original photo. This book was originally put together by his youngest son from his expedition field notes. A quite remarkable man in the end. He was lost, presumed dead in the Amazon jungle, along with his oldest son. This gentleman, Captain Fawcett, discovered that there were ancient civilizations in the Amazon at a time when the establishment, I hate it when people do that, when the establishment believed that there couldn't possibly be any. An incredible gentleman. And I bought this brush because I was interested in that story. I'm reading through this again at the moment. Quite incredible. But Captain Fawcett comes from Torquay, which is where I live. And that was the interest that I have in it. And strangely, there is not a mention of this gentleman anywhere in Torquay that I can find. How bizarre. Anyway, a good story, and that is the brush. And I look forward to using it. So take good care of yourselves. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye now.